Mag-open taog. Sanina, sa bata, hinatag. Shout out sa naghatag amin. Very guwapa. Karon pa na ko ni Abrihan. Ito pa ni January niya gihatag. For the baby. I will open this one and this one. 9 to 12 months. OMG. What is this? Oh! Boy, very maganda. Oh my gosh. Very daku. Very beautiful. Beauty. And the bees. Cute. Very cute for the babies. Cute girl. Look. Very nice. Thank you, sponsor, Char. OMG. Very nice. Igo pa maning ri-ri pa. Cute kayo. Tulo ka buok. Very guapa. Oh no. Baby, 9 to 12 months. Uy, kadako sa baby. Okay. 3. Thank you, sponsors. I know nagatanaw ka sa akong mga videos and everything. Thank you for the sponsor. Char sponsor dyan. Thank you, Annie. Mga guwapa. Fresh from Secret. Thank you so much and more blessings. Yay. Okay. Bye.